What's up, YouTube? Hello, guys. It's George here, and um, I'm going to help you teach you how to create a VIP3 account from chymall. As I said, chymall, is one of the amazing platforms that is helping you to build a consistent income to change your life perspective, and it's an amazing platform that is revolutionizing the e-commerce industry. So come on board, don't be left behind, and by the time I'm done with this video, you know how to create a VIP3 account, and it's a beautiful thing that is basically happening all over the globe. We are taking over, and I don't want you to be left behind. Get on board and start making consistent income in every 10 to 12 days. And without further ado, without much ado, let's quickly go over. So this is the website, chymall.net. When you log in, before you can trade, you have to get yourself into the system of the bigger pool or the website, which can only be done using a link from a referral. So you can hit me basically so that you can get yourself into the system, come join the family and make money. So VIP3 account, when you log in, which of course I'm logging in. So how to trade is basically like this. You log into your back office or your online store. So I'm just logging in. So this is it. Successfully login. Now with this login, you come to my orders. You click on my orders, you see a time here. Here it is already sold, so you don't see the countdown time. So you see company sold, meaning that I'm eligible to trade again. So if you go to mine, this is where, if you click on mine, this is where your a minute, at least my distance is a little slow. If you click on mine, you see CH1.202, and my consumption limit is 180. So meaning that is, I can only trade up to 180 points out of the 202. So quickly, you go to home page. You click on home page, then you see the list here, the auto trade, the new retail, and the wholesale. You click on the new retail. What you're going to do that, you're going to trade a VIP3 account. And VIP3, you are eligible to trade fuel saver card or quantum fuel saver card. So you click on that. Then quantity, you click on the quantity, which is 2. The boundary of the 2 check will change from white to red. So you can see change. The color too, you click on the picture, which will also going to change from white to red. Then you don't increase the quantity here, you maintain it because you are trading at the retail level, which is going to be shipped to you by the company. So you click on buy now, then process successfully. So after login, after clicking on that, it pop up another page where your details on which the company is going to use to send the card to you will be listed. So if you don't have it, you click on add consignee. If you have it already, you just click on that. So once you click on that, the boundary is also going to change from white to red as well, and there will be a tick here. So you see it ticked. Then delivery mode, self pickup, you click on it, which you're also going to do that. Then you scroll a little bit down, then you see amount payable, continue to pay. So when I click on continue to pay, we are waiting for it to load to tell us. So calculated successfully. Then we move on to where we're going to pay. So here is where you key in your payment password. Now with your payment password, what you need to understand is that with payment password is different from the login password. However, you can still use the login password as the payment password. That is when you are doing the registration, you state that, or you repeat the payment password as the login password. So I'm going to go ahead to enter or key in my payment password. So process successfully. It goes in, and I click on view order. Yes, this is what I see. So company, quantity, amount to be received by center, meaning that in few weeks or few months this is going to come to me. I'm in Ghana, so it's going to come to the office, and where my center is, then basically I go pick it from my center. All right, so you do the same thing by trading the wholesale aspect. So you go to home page again, then you click on wholesale, this time not retail. Then you click on fuel saver, and this is where the company has discounted it from $100 to $40. So you click on quantity, then you click on picture, then you increase this quantity to 2, then you click on buy now. So process successfully. So after loading, you click on Solomon, you click on your address, then you click on self-pay. So just like how you did the retail, this time I'm only going to change the quantity, increase the quantity from 1 to 2. So continue to pay. I click on it, calculated successfully. Then you go ahead to key in your payment rate. Alright, so it's in, then I go to view orders. So you see deliver. If you click on deliver, you're not going to make any money after 10 days. And we click on sell, the company sells for you, which I clicked on it. Operation successful. So once it loads, you see the countdown appear right here. So I'm going to be 10 days, 6 hours, 59 minutes, 47 seconds. Alright guys, so basically this is how to trade the VIP3 accounts. Once again, come join the family and let's make money together. chymall, we say color your life. Don't be left out. Alright, see you in another one. Peace.